Good evening. Welcome to Kalyan IAS. In today's session, we are going to discuss regarding Kongu Nadu region. This is very much there in the news, and there is a demand for the formation of a separate state. And this region is located in Tamil Nadu. So kindly remember, whenever in any state in the country, if there is a region and the people in that region for some reason demanding for the separate state, then that will be there in the news. If you look at this Kongu Nadu, that is very much there in the news nowadays. That's the reason why this is a possible question in the examination. Clear? And we are also getting, the patrol aircrafts from America. What are they? And what are the news related to RBI? All these things let's try to understand in this session. I am going to open the document now. Kindly have a look at this. Look at this now. The first one on the screen, Kongu Nadu region. Kongu Nadu region is sometimes seen in the news, and this is located in the state of Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka or Goa, and your answer is Tamil Nadu. Fine, so please remember, so this is one important area that you need to remember these points. Alright, so Kongu Nadu region is located in the state of Tamil Nadu. Right, look at this. Debate on bifurcation of Tamil Nadu to carve out Kongu Nadu region has emerged because of the clash of terminologies after DMK addressed the center as union government in the spirit of constructive collaboration and state autonomy. So that's the reason why again this is there in the news. Second one, have a look at this. India is procuring, I told you already, aircrafts. India is procuring, and we procure from various nations. But here, India is procuring P-81 aircraft from, right? So already some have already been delivered to India. They have been inducted into our system. Look at this. UK, USA, France or Israel. Remember, these type of questions are very common, very general in any examination. So you must remember this. Clear? So India is procuring P-81 aircraft from America. Right? And this is a patrol aircraft and is an integral part of the Indian Navy's fleet. Indian Navy received 10th anti-submarine warfare aircraft P-81 from US-based aerospace company Boeing. You all know what is this Boeing. Very popular company. Next one on the screen. Central Institute of Indian Languages is located in. Important one. So whenever we talk about any language or languages, then obviously that is very important. Now the question is that Central Institute of Indian Languages is located in Pune, Lucknow, Mysore or Bengaluru. And your answer is option C, that is Mysore. Kindly remember this. Is that okay? So this is an Indian Research and Teaching Institute. This is based in Mysore and this is a part of the Language Bureau of Ministry of Education. Very important one, Ministry of Education. Earlier it was called Ministry of Human Resource Development. In the year 2020, the name has been changed to Ministry of Education. So tomorrow there may be a question that Central Institute of Indian Languages functions under which ministry? Your answer should be Ministry of Education. Clear? Look at the names please. So this is Mysore. It is called Mysuru in fact. Bengaluru. Right? Next. Which of the following has launched retail direct scheme? and it is launched by RBI, Reserve Bank of India. Right? This is the retail direct scheme. What is this? Let's have a look at this. If you look at this one, under the scheme, the retail investors will be allowed to open retail direct gilt account directly with the RBI, meaning what was not available earlier, now it is very much available. So this is a dedicated online portal will be provided. So this particular portal will provide the registered users access to the primary issuances of government securities and to negotiated dealing system order matching system, meaning, so this refers to RBI's screen based electronic order matching system. Why? For the purpose of trading in government securities in the secondary market. So when you are reading the newspaper, you will be coming across with all these things, right? And that's all for the day. I'll see you in the next class with more current affairs. Thank you so much. Take very good care.